Hey, hi everybody, I'm about to show you how to create an action button. Now the first question you'll probably have is, what is an action button? An action button is an object that you assign an action to, similar to when you are online and you are on a website and you click on something and something happens. That's an object that has an action. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an action button. The first action button I'll create is assign the action to hide something. So let's just say you're teaching someone, you have that you'll. So at first the answer hidden, and it might be hidden by an object you create, which is a rectangle. Okay, and I want to assign that rectangle an action. The action is to be hidden. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I am in design mode. Design mode is when this icon over here is displayed to be orange. And I'm going to assign an action to this rectangle that I created. So what I need to do to assign an action is I want to look at my browser. So you want to go to and you want to view your browser. Okay, and when you're viewing your browser, you have several menus that you can view. The one you want to look at is your object browser. So I'm looking at my object browser, and I see here that I have 3 different objects displayed. The first object displayed here is the rectangle I created, and these 2 text objects are the question up here and the answer that is revealed behind the rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign an action to that rectangle that I created under Action Browser. Okay, now they have several actions that you can assign to an object. What we're going to do is we're going to assign the hidden object. So we're going to scroll down here and find the hidden object. Here it is. And you can actually assign a target when it's the object itself that you are assigning an action to. You don't have to assign a target. Our objective is to hide that rectangle, so I'm just going to apply the action of hidden. Okay, the action has been applied. And so now when I my rectangle that I created is now an action button. So when it will reveal the answer. I can also click in that space again to hide the answer again. So there it is. There is your object that you have assigned an action to. The action is to be hidden.